Hello students, let us learn about the molecularity of the reaction. Chemical kinetics not only involved to study in the rate of the reaction, but also it is useful to find out the mechanism of the reaction. So the mechanism can be found out by molecularity. So molecularity means that is the total number of reactant species that are involved in elementary step is called molecularity. So the total number of reactant species that are involved in an elementary step is called molecularity. Elementary step means each and every single step in the reaction mechanism is called elementary step. In 11th standard, we have studied about the SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. So SN1 and SN2, that means unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. So this molecularity can be studied by each and every elementary step. To understand this concept, I have taken this example, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. This is hydrogen peroxide. This hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water molecule and oxygen. Here, this iodine is act as a catalyst. So during this experiment, this whole reaction, actually this mechanism involved in the two steps. In first step, in step 1, this hydrogen peroxide aqueous medium is react with iodine, gives water molecule and OI minus. This is the first step. In second step, this is second step, hydrogen peroxide react with this OI minus, gives water, oxygen. This is the catalyst we are adding beginning the reaction. So now overall reaction is, how you have to find out the overall reaction? Cancel the each term, similar terms, then 2H2O2 gives H2O plus oxygen. These two reactions are elementary reactions. Adding these two equations, first and second equation, gives the overall reaction. Since it involves both the concentration of the H2O2 and also the catalyst we are adding iodine, this reaction is considered as the bimolecular reactions. I explain once again. Molecularity means the total number of reactant species that are involved in an elementary step. What is meant by elementary step? Each and every steps in the reaction mechanism is called elementary step. Consider this reaction, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, it is catalyzed by iodine. This hydrogen peroxide decomposes and give to water and also oxygen. This reaction actually takes place in two steps. In first step, hydrogen peroxide, when it is reacted with the iodine, it gives H2O and also that is water molecule OI minus. In second step, this hydrogen peroxide again react with this OI minus. We are getting water and oxygen and I minus, that is the iodine which we are adding before the reaction as a catalyst. Now just add up these two equations, we are getting the overall equation. Strike out the similar terms, we will be getting 2H2O2 gives H2O and O2. Here the first equation is RDS. RDS means rate determining step. In this step, both the reactant, that is hydrogen peroxide and iodine, involved in the rate determining step. So this reaction is bimolecular reaction. Thank you.